Easy Small Business Accounting. It is myOrganized.life live, November 5th, 2019. Local elections in a lot of cities today.
That's right.
Voting for the dog catcher or the referendums or
Levies.
levies, yeah.
Drove my Chevy to the levee.
And the levy was dry.
Yes.
Yes. So,
But-
hey, welcome to myOrganized.life live. I am John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and we have a really exciting, compelling accounting. Who likes
Yes.
accounting
I don't-
other than accountants?
Other than people that go to school for the accounting,
Yes,
probably
yes.
nobody. But
But you know, everybody has to do it.
when you, and especially if you have a business
Yes.
or a small business,
And if you have a
large
small
business,
business, you can't necessarily hire someone to do it for you, so you got to do it yourself. So today we're going to just talk about some easy tips.
Easy
Take
tips.
that stress
maybe
away
you,
from
they
you.
probably already know these tips, but it's
Yes.
a good refresher.
It is a good refresher. So this is an article you can find over at smead.com. So if you go to
Yes.
smead.com and just type easy accounting in the search bar, you'll find this article.
Should pop up. Yep.
Yeah, written by Ramona Creel. Now, Ramona
Yes.
Creel is not a tax advisor or accountant, so that's
I
a
don't think so,
disclaimer.
unless she's
a
gotten-
professional organizer.
Unless she's gotten some other certifications.
I don't
that
know.
we're
She's
not
a
sure of, but-
certified actor, actress, or whatever she
Is she an
does.
actress?
Airstream owner and all
Yes.
kinds of things. So,
Anyway, so
What does
this
Ramona
is
have to
easy
say?
steps to simplifying small business accounting.
Okay.
So use complementary systems. So just like anything record related,
yeah.
your paper
There's
records.
an app for that, or
well,
there's a
there's-
computer program
But
for
your
it, right?
paper records should mirror your
Electronic. Yeah, that's a great
So
one.
make sure that those are matched up so you can.
I've
keep
heard
track
that
of-
too about when you set up your filing system. Kind of set it up so it looks like that accounting system, so it's easy to find your documents if you want the hard copy.
Name
right.
things the same and everything.
Good.
Track your income. So however your customers pay you, make sure you track
What
it.
if your income is so small? Say, for example, like mine, I can hardly track it. So small.
Well, then I can't help you. But
That's actually probably the next part, which is the
if you're getting
expenses.
paid though, okay, so if you're getting your check from Smead and then
Yes. No, they
say you
pay
have
me
a-
well here.
Say you have a side lawn mowing business and
Yes.
they pay in cash, keep track of that.
Actually, I have a side lawn mowing business, except I don't get paid because that's my duty at
That's your
home. Is
duty.
to,
Good.
And going along with raking the leaves and all those
Yes.
things too, which I understand you don't like raking the leaves. We
I refuse
had
to
this
rake.
conversation offline.
I don't like raking.
So Drew has a side lawn raking business, doesn't
Yep,
he?
he does.
He gets to rake
Yes,
your
he
leaves.
does.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Anyway, so if they pay, however they pay,
Yeah.
keep track of
Makes
it.
sense.
It makes
Plus,
sense.
plus you want to know where the money's coming from if you have a couple little things you do in your business.
For tax time.
Tax
purposes, you need
time.
that,
There's a
okay.
lot of good
Yep.
reasons to know where the money's coming from.
Yes.
Show me
And
the
let's
money.
see, track your expenses.
Yes.
Same as tracking your income, you got to track what's going out.
See, now on that side, the expenses are way too many.
Way over what is
So
coming in.
I don't even know if I can keep up with tracking the expenses because there's more things going out than are
Than
coming
in. Well,
in.
You should probably try to set it up. So
I'll talk to my wife about that.
Set up generalized filing categories that allow you to group several
Yeah.
types of expenses together. So maybe your marketing materials go into
Yeah.
one expense, your furniture or equipment,
Right.
business travel,
Yeah.
all that stuff can be dumped into different buckets and kind of
Yeah,
just
and
keep
it's,
track
again,
of it.
it's good to have all that information so that you can make decisions.
Yep.
Like, did I spend too much money on marketing last year? And then you say,
don't know.
well, I
Let's
know
check it
that
out.
because I have all that information tracked in that marketing category.
Yep.
You can say, you know what, maybe I didn't spend enough. So, okay.
And then your tax records, which we just briefly touched
Oh,
on.
yeah.
Make sure everything is readily available
Mm-hmm.
so you can give it all to your accountant or have it ready when
Yes.
you are go to do your own taxes. Have everything in order.
Now, I bet you were going to promote, but probably not since this isn't
Not
Thursday.
yet, but I
the
will.
Income tax organizer.
Sure, they can do that. They can go and
You
buy
can
that.
go to myOrganized.life, type in income tax organizer. You're going to find a nice little system there that's going to help you with a lot of this stuff.
Yep.
So-
And then, of course, saving time means saving money. So you're not scrambling looking for things that you don't have anymore that you might need
Right.
to get from the government and have to pay
Oh,
a
yes.
fee, all that stuff.
Yes,
So
those are very good tips. And,
Right.
again, accounting not the most exciting topic, but, you need these tips to kind of stay on top of it. So go over to smead.com, type in the search bar, easy accounting, and you'll find this article. And It's great.
Yes, it is.
Well, good.
All right. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so new podcast.
New podcast.
Amy Ray Kemper. All right.
Ray Kemper.
Ray Kemper.
Kemper.
Not Camper.
Yeah.
Kemper.
Camper. You're thinking of Ramona, who had
Who's the
the
camper.
Airstream.
Yeah.
That's Camper. Okay.
Amy Ray
Well,
Kemper.
we do that live here, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, and then afterwards, after coffee break, then it gets uploaded to iTunes and
Yes.
SME.com and myOrganized.life blog and YouTube. So, but
Pretty
you
much
really
everywhere.
come here at 2 p.m.
Right.
live because then you get it first,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
So we'll see you then. Come back
right.
tomorrow, right? And we'll have more for you the rest of the week as well. So 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, myOrganized.life, live. New solutions for your desktop from myOrganized.life. Fall is a time for a change in colors, and now you can brighten up your desktop with organizing products from myOrganized.life. Colorful, fresh, invigorating. Give your desktop a new look with new desktop solutions from myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.